Portfolio Committee on Health has called for an urgent meeting with Health Minister Joe Phaahla and his team. The committee wants to know what their course of action will be following the Special Investigating Unit's Digital Vibes report, which after months on the President's desk was finally released today. Calls have been mounting for heads to roll. Former Health Minister Willem was found to have acted improperly at best or at worst unlawfully. The report also found that former Acting Director General of Health Anban Pillay should be criminally charged. Govan Whittles reports.
Parliament's Portfolio Committee on Health says it's shocked at the revelations in the SIU's Digital Vibes report, and it wants answers urgently.
I have requested the Minister to attend the meeting of the Portfolio Committee, and we would like for him to give us an update on this report and what the plans are with regards to any consequences in terms of what is put in the report.
The Democratic Alliance has called for implicated officials who remain in office to be removed.
The reality is that now there are 3 senior managers, including the DG and the CFO and the DTG within his department, who have been implicated in an SIU report. It cannot be that those very people are now still sitting in their positions. There needs to be an urgent removal of those people pending a criminal investigation.
The SIU says there is enough evidence available for the National Prosecuting Authority to act on.
Even after they realized that the other one has got more expertise, it is even charging less money, they then manipulated the scores to favor Digital Vibes. And that in itself shows the fraud that he committed.
A communications expert says the report has unraveled layers of scandals.
There are so many layers of scandal, whether it's how they got in, what sort of support they might have got from the minister, but even when they got the contract, the way that they were moving money around, bags of cash that they were laundering through supermarkets. I mean, it's a massive scandal.
And it's clear Digital Vibes didn't do much work.
Some of the work which is in the public domain, organizing press conferences, etc., is run-of-the-mill. It's not 2 million rands worth of work. There was very, very little evidence of communication coming out of the Department of Health during the time they were contracted. There were a couple of animated videos, a couple of infographics, but not even 500,000 rands worth of work, never mind 120 million rands.
The Health Department did not respond to requests for comment, while Mkhize and his associate Tahira Matha were also not available. Govan Whittles, Johannesburg.